Hello, if you want to free up RAM on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, the first thing that you can do is go to the settings. Then over here we need to scroll down and go to device care. Then you can tap memory. And after a quick summary, we should have the option to clean apps. We will stop background apps by tapping on this button. And after a few seconds, we should free up some RAM. And there we go. Furthermore, you can also quickly free up some RAM by going to background apps that are still running in the background. So you can, for instance, tap this button over here if you use buttons and then close everything that is running. By doing so, you will also release some memory and the device should work a little bit faster after that. Keep in mind that some features, like for instance, if you use TikTok animated wallpaper, this also uses lots of RAM, so you might want to replace it with a normal wallpaper that is not from the TikTok in order to get more RAM. But essentially that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!